Watch.
See, I'm not sure that it was real or not. That was something, that was Krimp actually, right? Gulbadin is there also. He said that was Krimp. I said, yeah, that was Krimp, but I'm not sure, honestly. We all not sure. People make fun of it, but maybe he got cramp, maybe he got injured, because that's his cell. I mean, his body. We don't know, but maybe, yeah, maybe some small acting.
Sometimes teams needs you. Not every time when the ball is the bat in the field.
And that was high intensity game.
Yes, a very high intensity game, but I had a little bit problem. But people make a big issue. But it's good for me. After the game, many movie stars messaged me.
What did they say?
They said, everyone just said like that. So, oh man, you are on the top.
You can work in the Hollywood movie. The funny thing was when the cramp come, after just 3-4 minutes later, the Gulbadin was running faster than everyone. That was the shocking thing. I mean, I also want to go to the same doctor, but the doctor was with us. I was also hurt, and the doctor didn't make me ready for running.